members, today we are making this aluminum foil moon craft. This project is inspired by the doctor, engineer, and NASA astronaut Mae Jemison. For this, you will need aluminum foil, black construction paper, different sized coins, scissors, glue, paint, and paintbrushes. I am using white and purple paint. Start by drawing a circle on the aluminum foil. This is going to be your moon, so cut out a good size but small enough to leave some space around your paper when you place the moon on it. Cut it out. Don't worry if you wrinkle it while cutting it out, because next we are going to slightly crinkle up the aluminum foil circle. Next we are going to make the craters for our moon. Place your coins underneath the foil and press around the edges of the coin. Try not to press into the middle of the coins because you don't really want the print of the front of the coin on your moon. Repeat with as many coins and sizes of coins as you would like. Here I just went around with 1 penny to add more smaller craters. Flip the foil circle over and you have moon craters. Now we are going to trace the aluminum foil circle onto the paper to mark where our moon will be. Now we are going to paint the moon glow. I used the colors white and purple, but white and blue also work. To make a warmer glow, use white and blue acrylic paints. Paint a ring with the white the size of your moon. Blend the darker one with the white to create a darker purple ring. The darker paint should be on the outside and the lighter paint on the inside. Continue to add more and blend as you work. Did you know that although the moon shines bright in the night sky, it doesn't produce its own light? We see the moon because it reflects light from the sun. Finally, glue the aluminum foil moon in the middle of the ring. I didn't really like the amount of paint, so I went over it carefully, but this is optional because you don't want the paint to get on your moon. But if you do, it's okay. So who was Mae Jemison? In 1992, Mae Jemison became the first African-American woman to travel in space. She spent 8 days orbiting Earth in the space shuttle Endeavour. During her days in space, she conducted experiments on weightlessness and motion sickness on the crew and herself. Back to the craft. If you'd like, you can paint some stars or use star stickers to create a starry sky. Some little white paint dots work as stars too. And I added the space shuttle, the Endeavour, in the corner. The original shuttle is black and white, but my paint was a bit opaque, so I added blue and red. Did you know scientists aren't entirely sure how the moon formed? A popular theory is that a Mars-sized rock named Theia crashed into Earth around 4.5 billion years ago. The debris from the collision clumped together to make what is now our moon. The Endeavour, if you remember, was the shuttle Mae Jemison was on. I hope you guys enjoyed, members, and I hope you learned a little something. Bye!